So let's go back to our chart. Sorry. So as you can see now, it's a massive profit already. So from how I told you, so this should be my first TP. This green line is my first TP, this tip of the line. So now a confirmation of a full sell will be after this trend line. Let me show you something. So after this trend line, if you are supposed to join this market, you should be waiting for it after it breaks this trend line. Normally I'm supposed to close this trade at this point, then leave this running one after this point here on this trend line. If the market does not reverse here, if it does not reverse at this point, then you should know that yes, this market is going to continue selling down to the second TP. So this green line is my first TP, as you can see. So from how I got the entry, I explained earlier on, I took my first trade here, but due to some reconsideration, I had to place my sell limit above here. You can see the other block here from this point here. So this is 1 hour. You can see that this other block leading to this place. So I knew that the chart was gonna head forward for this place to get a complete momentum to sell down here. So this was how I placed my sell limit at this zone here, at this zone here. Then I had placed my SL here, and I was still going to hope for a sell. So if it has hit my SL, I'll know that it's coming forward for this other zone, this other block here is to be coming forward for this place. Then I will now wait for another entry at this zone to sell the market from here down to this place. So that was how I knew that this market was going to sell. So just for you to know your like your setup. So like you can see now, a spike happened. Let me show you on the 1 minute chart. Like a spike happened on this 1 minute now. Look at this, is a spike at the edge of my TP, like I told you. So if I'm just coming into this chart now, look at this, is a spike. So I'm expecting it to kind of retrace backwards. So I told you this should be my TP. So if this spike continue happening, that is like a retracement. So remember what I said earlier, that I can only advise someone to enter this trade after this trend line, if it breaks this trend line here. But you can see what just happened now. Immediately it got to my TP, it kind of starts spiking again. So what if I were to analyze market and I want to enter now, I'll only just wait for this market here to break this trend line, then wait for it. That is when I will now enter the market down to my second TP. But if it retraces, or if it continue retracing, or if this 30 minutes candle turn bullish, like you can see 15 minutes is about to turn bullish, 5 minutes is already bullish. So if it does not retrace past this green line, which is my first TP, then I'll just know that the market is taking a U-turn, which is the reversal back to my first entry. So that was how I got my entry on BOOM500, my sniper entry on BOOM500. As you can see, it was about 22 profit, but it's kind of trying to retrace, and I feel like it's gonna retrace back. So I'll be closing these two positions sure, but that's just it for today on BOOM500. Thank you guys for watching, and please do well to subscribe to the video. Thank you.